Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Gocheer heated gloves for man, woman and so on. It's an upgrade in design, softness and in a warm material here. In order to achieve a better thermal performance, unlike other ad gloves on the market, they added an additional layer of wind and cold resistant barrier fabric on the wrist to lock in the temperature and ward off the cold, resulting in an improved heat output. The entire material is made of polyester, and the PU material provides non-slip properties to facilitate our use at work and ensure a certain level of waterproofness even in strong wind and of course in rain. And we have here rechargeable batteries and a consumption display. This gloves here can be set after they are reloaded, the battery of course, and after we attach the batteries into the gloves, then we can it to set to low, medium and high temperature, so we can adjust the temperature according to our needs. In low temperature mode, they can be used for up to 12 hours after a full charge. In order to make the battery consumption more clear, they added the battery level indicator on the switch, so that we can see the consumption from 20% up to 100. And then we know when charge time may be. And touchscreen finger design. We're wearing the gloves in winter. It can often be inconvenient as I have to take them off the use for our smartphones. However, with these heated gloves here, this problem is no longer an issue. All 5 fingers can operate the touchscreen, and the thumb and the index fingers enable the 360 degrees touchscreen functionality. Even in the freezing cold, we can easily use our smartphone, tablet, and other electronic devices. And it's suitable for versatile outdoor activities. This hat gloves here are ergonomically designed and features an adjustable strap for an optimal fit. They are ideal for outdoor activities such as skiing, running, cycling, driving, motorcycling, walking, hiking, mountaineering, golfing, fishing, and much more. They also meet our daily needs while we are at work or we are around the house or shopping with and so on. And that's really cool because if it's cold out there, this gloves here gives us not only a good temperature boost, it makes our comfort really warmer. For example, the high-end option, the red light is on the switch. It works for about 4 hours. Then we can choose to the mid-range, this is green light. It works up to 7 hours. And low grade is the blue light. It works for about 10 hours. You see, it is easy going to use. Before we are going to clean the gloves, of course, we turn off the system. We take the battery out of the pocket of the glove, and we put the wire back when then we zip it up and can clean it. If we choose machine washing, we should use a mesh laundry bag for that, but it should be hand wash program. We do not bleach, iron, or dry clean the gloves. We don't twist. We hang up the gloves to dry. After this, we can reassemble the battery packs into it and use them again. We do not use it if the lining is wet. The heating elements should not touch the skin, of course, directly. So have a look that the gloves are, the surface is in good property. If there's any discomfort, we turn off the power immediately. We do not remove the battery pack and charger itself. So we let the battery like they are because they are made for these gloves, and they are line up with a tape around it to make a good connection with the system. Each finger could touch screen use. The power button on each side we can press for 3 seconds to turn on the gloves or switch them off. Then the battery capacity is 3000 milliampere hour. It works with 7.4 voltage and 22.2 watt hour. The input is a DC 8.0 volt, 0.5 up to 1.5 ampere. The output is 10 watt. The size 6 to 5 to 1.5 centimeters, and the weight is around about 100 gram. The glove itself is made out of 100 polyester gel, 65% polyester and 35 polyester rattan in the lining. The temperature in the red is the high grade with 60 degrees Celsius. The green is the middle grade, 50, and the blue middle grade is 40 degrees Celsius. We take out the wire and connect it to the battery. Then we connect the batteries itself and we press 3 seconds to turn on the gloves. We can continue, press 3 seconds to turn them off. And we double lock for a rainproof and more warmer condition if we need that. And of course, if it's cold out there, you will need it. The battery, until they're full charge, can go from 4 up to 10 hours. And it can work after this round about 10 hours or only 4 if you go to the high performance mode. This Gocheer heated gloves here for man, woman, and so on are with an upgraded design that comes in different sizes. In my case, it's an XL version, and this matches on my hands really, really good. And if it is really cold outside in the December, January, or February, this is a cool thing because it's wet-proof, as you can see. And after it is wet out there, we can use them outdoor, no problem. We can make it wind stop easily, and they looks really cool because it comes in a black finish here. It's also available in white black finish. You can choose what you prefer there. These are the Gocheer heated gloves for all kind of man, woman, and so on out there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.